What is that? Cool!
Open this one.
What is it? Oh, bullets!
Yeah.
What is that? A gun?
Yeah. Let's open this one.
Oh!
Broken. It's a flashlight.
Awesome! Oh. Cool! You can bring that when you're walking around as Fireman Sam.
Yeah. Open this one. Oh.
What is that one? Oh!
I got the waste, guys. Open it.
Okay. You got one more box. What is that one? What is it? Oh, it looks like your little car at Grandma's.
Yeah.
Put it on 2.
But it won't go by itself.
Oh. Cool. Those are nice presents, huh?
Yeah. Okay.
Look at this one's a race car.
Yeah. Let's open it and see how it goes. Faster.
Can you get it? Whoa.
Cool. Yay. Oh, it has racing tires. And the door is open.
Oh, does the door open? No. Awesome.
Yeah.
What do you say to Grandma and Grandpa?
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you. We got to call Grandma up.
Let's open this one.
What is it? Here, let me see. Hand it to Mommy, I'll help you.
Oh!
What is that one? Ooh, turn it on. What's it do? Show Mommy.
Oh, it's pretty hard.
Whoa. Cool. You got a magic wand now.
Yeah. Yeah.
Just push it down. Slide it down.
I can't. Wow. I want to play with these.
All right.